Hello, welcome back to All PC Geek. Did you accidentally format your hard drive, USB flash drive, or memory card and lose all your important files? Don't panic. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to recover data from a formatted disk using RecoveryFox AI, a powerful and intelligent data recovery software for Windows. Whether it's photos, videos, documents, or other important files, this tool can scan your formatted drive and help you restore your data quickly and safely. Make sure you watch till the end as I guide you step by step and show you exactly how to get your lost files back. Let's get started. First, I'll connect the drive that I'm going to use for this demonstration. As you can see, it contains videos, images, PDF files, and zip files. Now I'm going to format the drive so we can perform the recovery process. To begin the recovery, open your browser and search for RecoveryFox AI download. Then open the official website. If you want to learn more about the tool, you can read the information on the homepage. Scroll down and click the free download button. Note that this software is currently available for Windows only. Once the download is complete, double-click the setup file to install it. If Windows shows a security pop-up, click Install Anyway, then follow the installation steps and click Finish. The program will launch automatically. This is the RecoveryFox AI interface. Click the settings icon at the top right and enable all the options to skip empty space and embedded subtitles, then click OK. If you have a license, you can activate it by clicking the three dots, selecting Register, and pasting your activation code. I've already activated my copy. Now, select the drive you want to recover from. As soon as you click it, the AI scan will start automatically. This process may take some time depending on the size of the drive and the amount of data stored previously, so please be patient. After the scan is finished, expand the drive and open the AI scan folder. Here you'll see the folders that were previously stored on the drive. I'll open the folders that contain the files I want to recover, such as MP4, PNG, and PDF files. Before recovering, remember this important rule. Do not save recovered files to the same drive you're recovering from. So I'll create a new folder on my desktop and use it as the recovery destination. Now, I'll select that folder, click OK, and start the recovery process. And that's how you recover deleted or formatted files using RecoveryFox AI. So as you can see, all my deleted files have been successfully recovered, including videos, images, PDFs, and zip files. The process is very simple. Just select the drive, let the AI scan complete, preview your files, and save them to a different location. Remember, never save recovered files to the same drive you are recovering from, because it can overwrite your data and reduce the recovery success rate. RecoveryFox AI makes file recovery easy with its automatic scanning and organized file categories, so even beginners can recover lost or formatted data without technical skills. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and share it with others who may need to recover their important files. If you have any questions or your files are not showing after the scan, drop a comment below and I'll help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.